What's up, guys? In this video we're talking metal roof repair, but in particular we're talking a membrane over metal retrofit. And if you've got a detail on your building where a pitched metal roof heads down into a parapet wall and into a gutter and that's leaking, you're going to want to stick around for this one. What's up, guys? My name's Aaron here in our shop, Exterior Pro, and in this video series we are going to expand upon our metal roof retrofit idea. And if you've followed our channel at all, you'll know that we have several retrofit options for metal roofs. So it's metal roof repair systems. One of them, though, is a membrane over metal, and one's a metal over metal. And I get questions a lot about which system do you think people should go with. People call and they say, hey, we like membrane over metal, we like the metal over metal. What do you think's best for this type of scenario? So after having talked with a lot of different folks and looked at a lot of different buildings, I have a pretty good idea, and we've just done this for a long time, so we kind of have a good idea of which way to push people depending on what they're looking for, but also on the building design. And so what this series is about is several different setups or scenarios where metal over metal, in my opinion, is just not the right way to go. It would be a membrane over metal, and that's what we wanted to demonstrate. And so we built a mock-up to kind of show you. This is going to be one video of several where we're going to show you how a membrane over metal metal roof repair retrofit style will solve some of these more complicated steel building designs. So for today's video, the design that we're going to look at is where we have a sloped metal roof, but it meets a parapet wall. So we have water flowing downhill and it's going to meet a wall. And at the base of that wall, there has to be a gutter system so it will carry that water. And so what we see on this type of, when we get these types of calls and people say, hey, what do you think we ought to do? Metal over metal, membrane over, I'm always membrane over metal. And that's what we're going to demonstrate. We're going to talk about why that is. And it's not really a how-to video today. It's more of a proof of concept video. We're going to show you what this system would look like and how the membrane over metal will solve this tricky sloped roof to a parapet wall with a gutter detail. All right, guys, so we built this mock-up because it's a lot easier to talk about these things on the ground. So what we have here is a mock-up built of a metal building detail that is prone to leaking. And what this detail is when we have a pitched metal roof and the water is all coming down, it's going to go into a gutter, and then there's going to be a parapet wall, and there's metal up on the wall. So where do these things leak? Well, inside the building, they can leak on this wall, but they can leak also right into this area here. And so where does the leaks come out? They usually come out right along that wall somewhere. And I have people ask me all the time, where do I think it's leaking? Well, I think it's leaking everywhere. I think it can be leaking on these walls, but it can also leak when these gutters get full, or especially if these gutters get clogged. Water is going to stand up in this gutter and it's going to spill back over the seam between this metal gutter and the metal panel. So if that fills up with water, it's like it's water shedding, it's not waterproof. Water's going to come inside. So we'll see a lot of the bag insulation with the white backer. We'll see that pulled out on the edge of these walls. It's leaking, it's wet, it's falling out. And that's what it is. It may not do it every rain, but on big rains when these gutters get overwhelmed, that's when it does it. So I get asked all the time, how do you fix that? How can we fix that? I see these things tarred up, caulked up, about 50 different types of caulking. You know they've been up there messing with it for years. We show up. What's the best route? Is it metal over metal? Is it membrane over metal? What do we do here? I get asked all the time. In my opinion, this detail is best solved with a membrane over metal retrofit. That's what we're going to demonstrate. And I'm going to show you why. If you do a metal over metal, you're going to basically have to replicate this again. It's going to be more expensive. And I think you're going to have the same problem that you had prior to. So the new metal system is going to be prone to the same flaws that the old metal system have. That's why we're going to go a membrane, and we're going to change this. We're going to change the style of drainage on this, and we're going to wrap this wall. We're going to wrap the deck, and it's going to put this thing in a different way so that we can get this water out the downspouts and not into your building. All right, guys. To start with this membrane over metal recover, we're going to have a few key components. The first of which is being a piece of flute fill. This is cut towards the profile of the metal roof. And so I have laid these in right inside the rib, and that's what's going to flatten out the metal for our membrane to lay on. So that's the first component. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of rigid insulation, iso board, rigid roof insulation, and we're going to lay that on top of the flute fill. So now our metal had a profile to it. We've flattened out the profile with the EPS. We're going to lay rigid roof insulation on it. And then the final step in preparation for our our membrane would be the tapered roof insulation. So this piece right here is a piece of tapered roof insulation. And this is cut at an angle. This goes from a 1/2 inch here, and it runs up to 2.5 on the back side. So it's got a pitch to it. And that's how we divert the water to the existing drain. So we don't want just water to lay in this trough like it was. We're gonna force the water down to these downspouts into these drains where we want the water to go. And we're gonna do that with tapered insulation. So I have kind of an exaggerated model here, but you can see a very heavy pitch headed towards the wall. So we've got our EPS, we've got our rigid roof insulation, and our tapered to divert the water. And now we're ready for membrane. All right guys, so on this roof, to fix this detail, we've already shown you our EPS, our rigid roof insulation, our ISO board over top of it to flatten it all out. And then we showed you our tapered ISO, which is all in place. So the only step that we have left to do really is to cover it with membrane and then fix our drain. So in this segment, we're going to show you what we do and what it looks like membrane. So I've rolled out membrane over top of the insulation that we put down. It's pretty simple. And then I've also stretched a piece from the top of this wall back over and down. That's going to get hot air welded, and you have the tapered insulation right here. You can kind of see it. This is what's going to divert your water towards the drain. So this last section we're going to show you, probably the most important part of this system, is what are we going to do with this water? Now we've got the water. It's not just going to lay in there flat. We've got the tapered in there. Everything's good. The membrane's on. How do we do these drains to keep these things from not leaking? And that's what we're going to show you next. All right, guys, so in this final segment of this video, we're going to show you how do we fix the downspouts, because that's like where most of the problem is. These things are either clogged, or they're leaking, or the roof is leaking, or the wall's leaking. So in and around those drains is where all the problems are. And so this is probably the most important part of this membrane, and it's why I recommend this type of system for this particular detail where water is hitting into a wall, into a gutter. So this just really works. What we do here, I took a Sharpie and I put a black circle down here on this metal, which would represent our downspout that's down into that gutter that's causing us trouble. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna extend that downspout up. Now you've seen we've done away with that gutter. We're gonna fill that gutter full of roof insulation so our board is supported, but we're gonna do away with that. We're gonna extend that downspout up, and we're gonna sleeve into it with a flashing that is special for that. So you can see this has got a tube. We get these in whatever size we want, down to the 1/2 inch increments. And when we extend your downspout, we're going to stick this flashing here down into our extension, and we're going to seal it. And you're going to have a new downspout opening up now, not down sunk into a gutter. It's going to be up, and it's going to be like in a system similar. You can see where this is. This is going to get hot air welded, and then we're going to put a strainer dome on it, and you're going to end up with a new looking drain that's down here at the base of this roof like this. So we're going to take your drain and your downspout, and we're going to extend it up, and then we're going to put a leaf guard on it. And remember, our tapered ISO now is going to drive. Water's not going to lay on that wall. It's going to drive and get off this roof faster. So that's one of the ways that that's how, in my opinion, with these drain sleeves, extending the downspout up, filling that trough full of ISO, supporting it, extending the downspout, and then sleeving it with one of these drain sleeves. Hands down, in my opinion, one of the best ways to fix this detail. All right, guys, so we've just shown you one of the best metal roof repair options that I think is out there. This option works great in these tricky details like we've shown you here. It works great on just a regular old metal building. It's one of my favorite membrane over metal roof repair solutions. The retrofit, in my opinion, is a great solution. Remember, this it wasn't a how-to video. It was more of a proof of concept. If you've got this detail on your building and you want to talk about it, or if you have questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll be happy to answer any questions you got. Guys, we hope this has helped you. We'll see you on the next one.